You all know the food is sweet, but the story is sweeter. Hallelujah, hallelujah, thank God. The way God take save me from people where say I be like this afternoon, I never experienced it. This muscle when he come out, I say, okay, make I follow on a shine body. I say my hair be like hair of under of nyash. That was like, let me make use of what I got. But the compound when I stay, my landlord wife sabi do hair well. Maybe I come back and say, ma, I beg, you feel do me hair. I was like, no problem, whenever I ready, make a let her know. Tell me the thing on Friday, not be on Saturday, I go buy attachment. So I buy the attachment, come back now, I can't go for the domot, go knock. Only for a landlord to tell me, say, in wife, no days. Say she travel with the children, go her mother's side. I was like, what a wicked word. But this woman tell me, say, make her come anytime now. Is this the anytime you promise? People so wicked. But as a cool temper girl when I be, I not still mine. I was like, you go come back, come meet me. Because this now you must do, and what promise is what promise. On Saturday early morning, I see Oga landlord they carry one woman where resemble his wife enter house. There was a biggie joy in my heart. I was like, Oga landlord wife don't come back, let me go and slay my hair. So that I can slay down my hair edges. So I knock now, Oga landlord come out. I was like, good afternoon, sir. I beg, let me tell your wife me come out. I see as you they carry her the enter house just now. He was like, gifts they go. My wife no day around. I don't first tell you yesterday. I was like, come off it. Waiting me see Nana. Mama, na me gifty. I did domot, come and see me. So Oga landlord come push me like a bagrimo to say, I say my wife no day house. Now my wife younger sister will come visit me. I was like, your wife younger sister. She no say her sister no day house. Like anyway, no problem. What a senior sister can do, a younger sister supposed to do am now. Let me ask her whether she's a bit do her or better still come off for road, make her ask her myself. As we dey talk now, the girl bring her come at. It was like, don't worry, sir, let me do it for her. Oh, Sisi Eko, you sabi do it. God go bless you for me. Pele, ndo. Now people na so I consider this girl can carve better Ghana weaving. This girl is a carver. There was a biggie joy in my heart, oh. And free of charge, she was like, madam, don't pay. That is what we do for neighbors. It's like, thank you, see better picking. People, that's why I come out with joy in my heart. Not be today, I see Oga landlord, wife and the children, they come back from travel. I was so upset with her because why? The angry in my body, no let me take beer. Say, mama, they know they do something like that. Even though say you be devil younger sister, mind the way you dey wicked. How you go put my hope for hope? Tell me say make I come anytime I can't do it. Only for me to reach your domot, your husband they tell me say you know the house. I beg you, that one a wickedness. No, they do like that. If not be your younger sister, where you can't greet your husband, where you can't help me do this hair. Now so if they carry my hair zanga and they waka, they go like winch. This is not fair. It was like my younger sister come visit my husband. I say, mama, she resemble you. Carbon copy. Now so I get big girls from a family with big Bobby. They get carry. Anyway, I'm not surprised. Now so you two see carry family things. She was like, no, I don't get younger sister and I may be the last born of my mother. I say, I don't know that one. No, now your husband you go ask. Before now come tell me to liar. All I know be say your younger sister come this house and she do my hair. Just this small thing when I talk like this, make her appreciate their family for helping me to do hair. Now don't they bring noise, they bring pasala for compound. Na. Everybody don't begin they call me liar, say na lie. Say I go outside, go do hair, come back. I was like, hey, what me do for this compound? All of you not see me. Yeah, brother Solo wife and yeah, brother Piro wife. Not be smart thing, they begin they shout on top of my head. Even self they pour that their dirty spit for the new hair when I do. They say I do they lie, nobody do my hair for this compound. Say na outside me go do my hair come. Oga Lalo say since his wife come out, nobody don't enter this house, come out from this house. But so lucky as a documented human being that I am. Now, no, say as we do the hair finish, we have to do she's to the camera. What I order versus what I got. Before and my after look. Stylist is the stylist. Now, waiting save me, say I record down with my phone. They can't begin to use their smelly spit till they bath me. Now, I go carry my phone, come back and show the woman, say, See, now, not be una domot we sit down here, so. This girl, whether this picture don't look like you. To crime the matter, the girl was even wearing her husband big polo, where she even buy for her husband of Valentine the way pass. Say, mama, see it. I cannot lie. I does not lie. Now your younger sister na do my hair, whether na your mama born mo or na outside mama born. But resemblance is a resemblance. She's your sister. Now wait till your husband tell me. The Ogalalo come begin to beg, say, baby, no, I can't explain. I beg explain, mona not tell me to liar. I know they like the thing pay me. The thing pay me, even now, self, the thing still they pay me.